I wasted months trying to make Shopify work, only to realize I was building a store on a foundation of sand.
If you want a real digital empire that actually hits 5 figures, you need a better engine. Hello everyone, I'm Denny. And today, I'm gonna show you why I moved everything to Sellvia and how it took my business to $15,000.
The problem with Shopify is that it's just a tool, not a business. You get a blank dashboard and a good luck note. Sellvia is a complete ecosystem. It's recognized by Forbes and ranked by Inc. 5000 as one of America's fastest growing companies. When I switched, I wasn't just getting a website, I was getting a high-speed infrastructure designed for one thing: scale. Step 1 was fixing my inventory. On SellviaCatalog.com, I focused on the digital products category, specifically the business tools section. Why? Because the markup is 50 to 70%. There's no physical shipping, no broken items, and zero logistics. Every time a customer clicks buy, I keep 100% of that markup as pure profit. Step 2 was the traffic. Shopify requires you to be a Facebook ad scientist. With Sellvia, the ad system is built in. I set my budget to $50 a day and let their AI handle the placements on Google and Facebook. I even got a $40 ad credit to start. This is how I broke through the noise and started seeing consistent daily sales without spending hours in Ad Manager. Step 3, total automation. To reach 15,000, you can't be processing orders by hand. I used the deposit feature. I preloaded my balance and the system fulfilled every single digital order instantly. My customers got their products in seconds and I didn't have to lift a finger. This is what passive income actually looks like in practice. To hit the $15,000 milestone, I added an SEO package. Paid ads are great for speed, but SEO is how you build a legacy. Sellvia's team optimized my store to rank on Google. Now I get free traffic every day. Every sale from search is pure profit because my acquisition cost is essentially zero. That's the secret to long-term sustainability. And here's the end game, the exit. My store is now an asset. On the Sellvia market, businesses like mine sell for $10, $20, or even $50,000. Unlike a 9-to-5 job where you leave with nothing, Sellvia allows you to build a business, profit daily, and then sell it for a life-changing amount of cash.
If you're still on Shopify, you're working harder, not smarter. Stop playing small and start building a real asset. Click the link in the description to get your free store and your $40 ad coupon. It's time to build your legacy. I'm Denny, and I'll see you on the inside.